Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So keeping software update turned on ensures your iPhone gets the latest security patches, bug fixes, and new iOS features automatically. In iPhone settings 2026, Apple makes updates smarter, safer, and more flexible. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to turn on software updates on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. Okay, so first thing first, tap settings. Okay, so open settings on your iPhone. So this is where all system updates are managed. So scroll down and tap general. Okay, so in these options we have general option. You have to tap it. So this section controls system behavior and updates. Okay, so now tap software update. Okay, tap it. Your iPhone will automatically check for available updates. Okay, so you can tap update now, update tonight. Okay, we have at the top automatic update. So tap it here like this. You will see multiple options. Okay, we have iOS updates, security responses, and system files, and you have iOS updates at the end. Okay, so toggle on or toggle download iOS updates to on. This allows your iPhone to download updates automatically, prepare updates in the background, save time later. So Wi-Fi is usually required, okay, because this updates take too much connection or too much internet. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.